Yeah, good day traders. This is some point FX where we wait, we trap and we strike. So I just want to do a on quick analysis here. So on GBPUSD. So we starting from our weekly. Let's start from our weekly. I know this is almost the end of a week, but let's just start from weekly. So this weekly too, it has also served us as what's going to still happen next week. So from our weekly, we can see that weekly did what? Reject weekly. This is weekly reject weekly, and we have this weekly low here. We have this previous week low as our target. We have this as our target. That's just what we want to check on our weekly. Now going to our daily now. Getting to our daily, we already know our weekly is what? Bearish. So but to confirm the bearish, we need to have a break of structure. So a breakout rather. Let's see. Okay, yeah, you can see here we have a breakout one, and we have another breakout here two. So which has already confirmed to us that what is bearish. I don't need those. I just use it to mark something. Already confirmed to us that is bearish. So we do again. We are on our, we know we are what? We are bearish already. So we are on this our current day. So where did the daily reject from? This is the level here. This is a key level. Daily did what? Reject daily. DRD. Daily reject daily. DRD means daily reject daily. And you can see from this daily reject daily now, price took out this low here this week here. It took out these two. You see, it took is this is the last low. Let's see if price took it out. Price did not really price did not take it out, but price creates what, like a form of, okay, let's leave it. I don't want line to be too much on my chart when I get to lower time frame. So I'm trying to, let me just reduce it. Sorry guys. So price did what? Create like a form of equal. I'm coming. Sorry guys. I need to write it out. Create a form of equal low. Uh, Sorry guys. I need create a form of equal low, equal weeks low. This is what price did. Sorry. This is what price did. Create that form of equal weeks low that price is still coming to do what? Target. So our target is still this place, that price is still coming to target, but that's what we want to do on the daily. We already know that daily is also what? Bearish, because price did what? Took out this daily reject daily, and you can see we have this week here. See, we have this week here. So let's see how that week reacts from 4 hours. So we get into 4 hours. You can see that week they already know that daily reject daily, so we are not expecting price to push up above this again. I'm not expecting price to push up. If price push up above this, the trend has changed from bearish to bullish. But now you can see this week here aligned with an SBR. That previous week low, that previous candle week low. This is the previous candle week low on our daily. Previous candle week low, CLT. So it aligns with what? A 4 hours. It aligns with 4 hours RBS. If we zoom in, this is support. Now this key level here is a support, but now that price has broke down beneath it, it is now turned to resistance. So that is the whole scenario about RBS support. No, I said there's RBS is SBR. Sorry, SBR. Support becomes resistance. Support becomes resistance. So now, what are we expecting price to do on these 4 hours? We're expecting price to create liquidity close to our key level. Did something like this, create a liquidity close to our key level, tapped into this key level and push down to take this equal low out. This is what we are expecting on our this is what we'll be expecting rather on our was this is what we'll be expecting on our come I need to save. This is what we'll be expecting on our time frame. Price move up, create a form of liquidity, tap into the SBR and do what, come down. So let's check 2 hours. 2 hours we are staying at. So in these 2 hours there's something I want to show you guys. In these 2 hours there's like an imbalance here. There's like an imbalance here. An imbalance here that price may do what? Let's write in balance. Let's just change it to small. There's an imbalance there that price may do what? Price may try to fill. There's an imbalance that price may try to fill it to the I'm coming guys. Price may try to fill it to the 50% as sorry guys. Sorry guys for the need to I just need to do something. So now you can see this imbalance now. Price needs to fill it like 50%. Create like an inducement before tapping into this RBS. So let's watch how price is going to do these things. Let's check on 1 hour also. Just need to check on those time frame thoroughly and generally. You can see this 1 hour too. So we have that imbalance. So let's see how price goes. But typically this is what we'll be expecting. This is what we'll be expecting. This is what we'll be expecting because the market is what is bearish right from what the weekly we have. Let's do a brief recap. Weekly rejects weekly. We have this weekly previous week low here that we are expecting price to use as our target. That price has not gotten there, so we are still bearish. So we go to daily. We saw daily reject daily. This is a key level here. This is I'm coming guys. I need to look for something. Sorry guys. Okay, let me just use this. This is a key level here. Let me change it. This is a key level here. This place that my mouse is a key level. Is a key level. It has a support, but once price broke it down, it turns to what? It turns to a resistance that price is what tapped into and start coming down. Sure you get. So that's the same thing price is doing here. Price is doing it here all too. Yeah, around here. So but we see that price rejected from here, and we see that price took out the first week, took out this last week here also, and instead price took out this last week. It did what? It created an equal week low instead, which tells us that it created a form of liquidity that price is still coming to take out. Sorry guys, I need to. So it's created a form of liquidity down. That price is still coming to the magnet and take out. So now that we already know that, so we know we are bearish. And what the price? The price give us a breakout when we use line. I'm just doing a recap of everything. Price, this daily reject daily is one breakout, and price did what? Create another breakout. Price create another breakout. So I think that's just it. And when we go to 4 hours now, 4 hours also from the daily reject daily, we see a breakout also. The breakout was around that SBR support stone resistance. So there was a breakout there. So there was a breakout. So we are expecting price to do what? To tap in back, create a form of inducement, use this SBR and boom, push down. So that's just what we'll be expecting on this. So let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out.